Whispers is a nice little coffee shop in the local Billingshurst area. It's very popular in terms of a lot of local people use it as a hub. We tend to deal with a lot of breakfasts and light lunches. Today I'm going to do with a bubble and squeak, which we make. It's very simple. It's become very popular. It's something that a lot of people enjoy. I mean, another thing that we use here is a lot of local produce. We use a local butcher in Petworth, which supplies all our meat. We get local vegetables and things from local sites as well. So it's about keeping and sustaining our business here in Billingshurst. That was my simple bubble and squeak, and for a recipe card, pop down to Whispers. It's very easy. It'll also be available in the Big Nibble in September, so hope to see you.